Hello everyone, this is Team Algoristy and this is our entry for the hackathon Hackademic, and the name of our project is Space Fighting, which is the remake of the original game Space Invasion. The theme which we have chosen is the game of year, in which we have to recreate one of the history's oldest game, and the game is Space Invasion. Here for front end we use Python pygame library, and for backend we use node.js, Express and MongoDB. So the main game is Space Invasion, in which there is a fighter plane and some enemy planes, and we have to shoot as many as the fighter planes to make high score. So this is the main repository, and this is the backend repository, and the backend stores only the top 10 scorers of the game. So this is the little walkthrough of our application. This is a volume button if you don't want sound. This is a history button which shows little history of the game Space Invasion, and also some similar games to the Space Invasions like Space Battle, Space Invasion 1980, Space Invasion Alien Shooter Game, Space Invasion Thunder, Space War, Air Fighter, and many more. And this little button high score shows all the high scores from all around the globe, and to get on the list we have to beat the minimum high score, which is 42 here. As you can see, our previous high score is also 42. So the controls are space bar to shoot, arrow keys to move, press P to play the game, Q to quit the game, press S to pause the game, and press E to end the game. So to get on the list we have to beat the score 42. So let's play. If I press S, it pauses the screen, and as you can see now our score is 130, which is already the high score. If I press E, which ends our game. Now as you can see we have beaten the high score. Now it's 130, which is also our local score as well as the world score. So we can upload this score, enter our name, like I enter my full name, Gupta. Now as you can see, now the last will be Tushar Gupta 130 as updated. And now check the high score. As you can see, now my high score is updated, and even if I close the game and restart it, see, it's still because it stores on our backend all our top 10 high scores only. Thank you.